In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a straight line of approximate length to a given arc. So in this case, the first thing you're going to do is to draw the given arc AB. So let's draw an arc and let's pretend we don't know the center of the arc. So I'll be drawing an arc here. Draw an arc AB. So here's my arc AB. Let's call this A, let's call this B. So these are the ends of the arc. Now the next step is to draw a chord from A to B and extend it to C. So what we're going to do here is we'll draw a chord from A to B and extend that chord to C. So I've drawn a chord, extend it. So C can be any point, but let it just be an extension. Now the next part is making BC equal to half AB. Now what you're going to do is from B to C will be equals to half the distance from A to B. So in this case, we are going to bisect the line AB to know how long half of it is. So this is the usual procedure for bisecting a line. I've done that. I've been doing that throughout this course. So you should have understood the pattern by now. Now this is the center of this line. So we are going to take it from B to the center. We're going to transfer it outside the line. So that would be our point C. Now the next step is to join A and B to the arc center O. So join A and B to the arc center O. So in this case, we have the center of this arc. The center of this arc is this point here. So let's call it O. So now we'll join A and B to the arc center. So let's join A to O and B to O. There we go. Now the next step is to draw a line with center C and radius CA. Draw an arc. So with center C and radius CA, we're going to open from C to A. We'll draw an arc. Now after drawing the arc, the next step is to draw a line at right angles to OB. So draw a line at right angles to OB. So now to touch the arc at D. So we're going to draw a line at right angle to this OB to touch this arc at a point. So let's just put your ruler below that line, equal distance, and then you move the set square on that ruler till you get to B. Then from there you take a distance, measure it up. That will be perpendicular. So this is how to construct a perpendicular without needing to do any geometric construction, just using your set square. It's very easy. So this is the right angle, and in this case DB, so our length. So when you've drawn that perpendicular, the distance from that point where it touches the arc, which is D, from D to B, will be the approximate length of the arc. So let's draw a line from there to there. From D to B will be the approximate length. So you can also check this out. This is the approximate length of the arc AB.